got some exciting news to share with the people today, don't we? Don't we? You remember a while back I got some fig cuttings? Oh, that doesn't excite you anymore? I'm sorry. Well, come here, let me talk to you. I got some fig cuttings. Come here. Sit down, I want to talk to you. Okay, stand up and let me talk. Okay, Petunia, I'll talk to you instead. I got some fig cuttings, and some friends of mine on YouTube taught me how to get them to grow. And no, I don't want to play with a toy. I want to tell you about my figs. Anyway, my friends Rose5150 and Farmer73 taught us how to get those cuttings to grow. Well, wait a minute, who's not gonna? Yeah, there you are. I guess they're not interested. Daisy, I'm trying to tell you a story. Anyway, thank you. They helped me learn how to grow these cuttings, and I want to show the people. Aren't we excited about that? Yes, we are. Aren't we excited about that? Yes, we are. So let me show the people what we got here. So we planted the cuttings. They're LSU Scott Blacks. We planted the cuttings on July 11th, 20. Right? Yep, we did that. We did that? Yeah, we did that. We did. And we planted them in Coca-Cola and Pure Light and Vermiculite as instructed, and put them in peekaboo cups as instructed. And guess what? Guess what? We're excited. Yes, guess what? Bam! Yay! The cuttings actually started to take off and take root. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that wonderful? Hey, over here. Isn't that wonderful? And just so we can see how well they're rooting, we got our little peekaboo cup thing going on here. And I don't know if you can see that, but hold on. Let's see if we can spin this around where I can see it here. There. There's some good roots starting to happen in there. And I thought I saw some over there. Yeah, it's starting to settle in nicely. And then let's check your other half over here. Oops, hands. Yup. See if we can get some focus going on there. Got some roots down in there and in there. So it's starting to take off. Pretty soon we'll be able to transplant them outdoors, at least for a little while, with their other LSU brother and sister figs. Yay. Aren't we excited? Isn't that awesome? Isn't it awesome? Yes? Come here. Now Daisy, sit. Daisy. Now what do we say? Daisy. What do we say to Rose5150 and Farmer73? What do we say? We're not gonna talk today? No? You're not gonna say thank you? Okay, we'll say thank you later. But on the for real, this is just some fun. But I want to say thank you to Rose5150 and to Farmer73 for teaching us how to do this. I will put links in the description below to the actual videos to show you step-by-step how to do this. But yeah, guys, it works. It works. It works. It works. It works. So excited. All right, that's all I wanted to show you for now. I will see you all on the flip side. Your girl, Miss Craft, is out. Bye.